In this video, I'm going to be upgrading the 4 Series mirror covers into the M4 style, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. There's no experience needed, there's no complicated tools needed, it's just a quick DIY you can do at home. So here's what tools you're going to need. You're going to need some masking tape, you're going to need a plastic pry tool, you're going to need a T15 torque screwdriver, and then you're going to need a pick tool. Alright, so you want to use an APC and a microfiber cloth. Just spray down the area, breaks down any dirt and grime, so the new wing mirror cover can slot in nicely and smoothly. So now just give it a wipe, and that's it. Alright, so this is a quick hack. So if you just push the side that you're working on, so we're working on the passenger side, so I'm going to flick it to the left, and then move the mirror to the right. And this will allow us to get access to the clips with the pick tool. So what you want to do, you just want to apply the masking tape where you're going to be prying, just to keep it clean and scratch free. Alright, to remove the old mirror cover, there are 2 pins that sit behind the mirror. You can't see on the camera, so I'm going to show you on this one. There's 1 pin here and 1 pin here. So this is where this comes in use. You're going to use this to just pry it up and pry the bottom one down, and literally just give it a little push, and that releases it from the tab, and it's just easy to pop off. Right, while you're picking with your pick tool, just want to pry it down with your plastic tab, and literally it should just come off just like that. So we was pushing down this tab and this tab here. Now you want to grab your T15 screwdriver and take off these 2 screws, one here and one here. That's it. So if you come here, it's just sitting on a tab here, so you just pull that down and it should just come off just like that, and that's it. Now we've got the old one removed, we'll grab the new one and slot it in place. Now we've got that in place, all we want to do is grab the screws now, screw it back in place, just like that. We want to get the last one. That's it. And now you just want to line it up with all the tabs. There you go, you just hear the clip. You can see it's all lined up, flush, and that's it. It's not coming off. Just want to give it a quick wipe down. Grab your towel. That's it. So let me know if you could do this at home in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.